Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate your RedotPay virtual card. Now, if you don't have a RedotPay account yet, you can just simply use the sign up link that is given in the description and you are going to get $5 welcome bonus absolutely for free if you use that link only. Now, when you open your RedotPay application, when you sign in or sign up for the very first time, when you also apply for the card, you can tap on the option of card in order to check the details of your RedotPay card. Now, unlike the physical card, for virtual card, you don't need to require any kind of separate activation code before you use it. So you can tap on the option of view in order to view your card number, its expiration date and the CVV. If prompted, you can complete any of the required security verification before these details are displayed to you. Over here you will see that you can tap on the option of add to Apple wallet, and if you are using it inside your Android device, you will be shown the option of adding to Google Pay. So you can tap on that and you can add your virtual card in order to enable the contactless payments. Other than this, you don't need to actually activate the virtual card from Red.Pay separately. You can just simply use it right away. If this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.